Welcome back to the AZ Garden Triangle. In today's video, we are sharing with you the AZ way to prepare potting mix for container gardening. Using the right potting mix for container gardening is important for the plants to thrive in containers like this. For aeration and drainage, we use 2 parts potting soil and add 1 part perlite. Always wear a mask when doing this because of how dusty it is. We add worm castings to increase nitrogen. Nitrogen is used for leaf growth and keeping leaves green. We add a few cups to the mix and add more when transplanting. We add Dr. Earth's organic fertilizer. This is our favorite organic fertilizer. We love this fertilizer because of the NPK content and all the other micronutrients it contains that plants need to grow healthy. We add blood meal to correct pH and increase nitrogen. We add bone meal to increase phosphorus. Phosphorus is used by plants to develop flowers and fruit. We add mycorrhizal fungi. Mycorrhizal fungi acts as a network between the plant and the nutrients in the soil. We add chicken manure as an additional source of NPK. We add humic acid as another network between the plant and the nutrients in the soil. Humic acid helps improve water retention and stimulate plant growth. Now that we've added all the amendments, it's time to mix it all together. Do you add amendments to your soil too? Let us know in the comment section down below. It is very important to have a well-draining, rich potting mix for container gardening. Drainage is also important, but the soil needs to retain moisture. The perlite helps with drainage, but the peat moss in the soil helps with water retention. As the name suggests, in container gardening, the roots are contained and can't reach for more nutrients from the earth. The soil also loses nutrients every time you water, so it's very important that we add fertilizers and other micronutrients to the potting mix, especially when growing vegetables, because they need a lot of nutrients in order to produce fruits. The best fertilizers to add are the ones that we mentioned. It's best to use organic fertilizers. We follow the instructions on the package for the amount of amendments we add to the potting mix. It's also important to feed them every 2 weeks using liquid fertilizer during the growing season. This is to ensure that the plants have enough nutrients to thrive. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll be sharing the vegetables we grow in containers.